Hello viewers, welcome once again. We know how plants respire and the growth process of plants. But my question is, what is the origin of plants? In this module, we will be focusing on introduction part of reproduction, parts of a plant and modes of reproduction. All living organisms, including plants and animals, have the capability to produce new individuals during their lifespan. The process of producing new organism from the existing organism of same species is called reproduction. In order to continue the species, each organism makes more individual of its own kind. It is an essential process with respect to continuity of life. It is the means of multiplication, perpetuation and preservation of species. The word reproduction is a combination of two words which itself describe new origin. Before moving towards detailed process of reproduction, let us discuss the parts of a plant. The parts of a plant is divided into two categories, vegetative parts and reproductive parts. The vegetative part includes roots, stems and leaves, whereas reproductive part includes only flower, which is the main reproductive organ of a plant to reproduce. But reproduction takes place both through its vegetative parts as well as its reproductive parts. So let's see how the process begins. There are several ways by which plants reproduce their offspring. These are categorized into three basic types, and they are asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction and sexual reproduction. Before beginning with the types in detail, let me brief you the gamete concept. Gamete means male and female cells. They together unite or fuse to form a zygote. That is the baby gamete or the fertilized cells. Now, let's begin with asexual reproduction, which means in this type of reproduction, only one parent is involved for the production of new individuals of same kind, or we can say that it is obtained in plants without production of seeds. In asexual reproduction, they do not produce any variation in species, hence very less adaptive in nature. The next category is vegetative reproduction. In this process, a cell, a tissue or a part of a plant develops into a new organism. It is a type of asexual reproduction only. It happens in a very less category. The last category is sexual reproduction. In this category, new plants are obtained from existing plants through seeds. Most of the flowering plants reproduce sexually. In this process, fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete leads to the formation of seeds. So friends, this is the introductory part of reproduction in plants. Hope the introduction is clear to you all. Share your views on the comment section and subscribe the channel for the explanatory parts. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.